Jumping right into this tutorial, I'm starting this wash and go on freshly washed hair, and my hair has kind of dried because it has been sitting in this t-shirt for about 5 hours. I absolutely love my new cut and also being completely natural, and I did see that there was some blonde still left in my hair, and I have since cut those ends. To begin styling my hair in this wash and go, I am going to separate it into quadrants as I always do. This just helps me keep a nice organized track and keep better control on my hair. Once my hair has been separated into quadrants, I am going to work on the back quadrant first. Typically, this is what I always do just because I like working from the back to the front. It just makes a lot more sense to me this way. And when I style my hair for a wash and go, I make sure that it is pretty wet. So I am going to take my mister and just saturate my hair with a good amount of water and also work that in my hair very well, making sure that all my hair is receptive to the water. Next, I'm going to spray Afrogee's Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer in my hair, and I really like this spray. It acts like a strengthening treatment and I use it about twice a month. It has keratin in it and also green tea, which is going to help to reduce the breakage and split ends in my hair. And for many of you, you already know I use the LOC method. So for my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to use Kinky Curly's and Not Today natural leave-in conditioner, and I like it because it has botanical extracts and it also gives me great slip and my hair feels very moisturized after using it. And to help seal the moisture in my hair, I am going to be using some pure almond oil. And when applying all these products, I am making sure that I'm applying it very well in my hair. And after applying these 3 products, I am going to clip my hair up and I'm going to continue the same process on the other 3 sections of my hair. I've been doing this for maybe 2 months now and I feel that this really works better for me while I'm working in a different section of my hair. So by the time I do come to this section, it's nice and moisturized. Coming back to this section, my hair is really nice and moisturized, which is why I like doing this technique. When I apply the leave-in conditioner and seal the moisture in with an oil, my hair has time to really reap the benefits. So by the time that I apply my styling products, it could work a lot better. And for my styling product, I am going to be using Kinky Curly's Curling Custard, and I really like using this because it gives me great hold and definition without the crunch. Before I do apply the custard, I'm going to spray my hair with a little bit more water. I find that when I do my wash and goes, making sure that I apply the products on wet hair works so much better than if it's on damp hair. When my hair is wet, it can really take in and soak up all of the products rather than the products sitting on top of my hair, and I don't get that gel cast, which is awesome. And as you can see, my curls are defined, which is exactly what I'm going for. I'm going to show you my technique several more times just in case if you'd like to replicate it, you can. So working from the quadrant, I'm going to separate my hair into inch sections. This way I can really make sure that I do get the definition desired for my hair rather than working in a big section and not getting that definition. I really want my hair to have a nice defined hold because I won't be washing my hair for another week. So my wash and goes do need to last for about a week. I say anywhere from 5 to 7 days is awesome. I'm going to spray my hair with water. Again, I like my hair to be very wet. That way it can absorb all the products that I do put in my hair rather than sitting on top of my hair. And I'm going to apply the Kinky Curly Curling Custard, and I'm just going to rake that into my hair nice and evenly. to make sure that my hair has a nice definition, especially in the front, I am going to twirl a few pieces. And here's how the back of my hair is looking so far after applying the Kinky Curly Curling Custard, and it shows a great texture shot. And I get asked often what is my hair type, and it is a 3C medium porosity. I always say that there is so much more to just a curl type. You really want to see what your porosity is, and porosity is the ability for your hair to absorb moisture. So you have low porosity, medium porosity, high porosity, and also you want to look at density. But I'll save that for another video. Let me know in the comments below if you do want me to make a video about porosity, density, curl typing, and all of that. And after I finish applying other products, I am going to scrunch my hair in an upward motion. This is going to help with the definition, and this is ideally what you want to hear. And after scrunching my hair for about 3 minutes, here's how it looks. It is currently 3:26 p.m. Now it is 12:07 a.m. and here's how my hair looks. I'll say my hair did dry very nicely. I have great definition and holds, and my hair is not hard. There's no nasty residue, and there's no gel cast. As I've already mentioned, my hair has great definition, even my hair underneath, and that is very important to me. A lot of times I have done a wash and go and the hair underneath was very frizzy, but that is not the case here. And now I'm going to wrap my hair up, but before I do, I'm going to spray my special oil on my hair and on my scalp and give my scalp a slight scalp massage, and then I'm going to wrap my hair up for the night. And I also get asked a lot, how do I preserve my wash and goes? Because it's not the same. I don't put my bonnet on top of my hair as I would normally do. I just use a big scarf and I put it over my head and I just pineapple it. So I don't use an elastic, but I rather just have my hair upright like a pineapple. And when tying the scarf, I'm making sure that my hair doesn't get caught because it will straighten the curl out, and that's not what I want. After I tie the scarf nicely, I am going to go to bed. So the next morning, I'm ready to take this scarf off of my hair and start the festivities for the day. My hair does look a little squished, but once I shake it out, it's going to be a lot better. I am going to be using my pick just to pick at my roots a little bit for more volume. When doing this step, make sure that you don't pick through your hair because you will comb the curl out and cause unnecessary frizz. After I picked my hair, I like to turn my head upside down and just fluff my hair a little bit towards the roots and just kind of separate my hair for more volume so I can get my hair nice like this. And this is pretty much what I like to do for my wash and goes, which I'll be doing a lot more of. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!